Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Decorating a coffee table is an artful endeavor that goes beyond mere arrangement. It's about creating a harmonious focal point that reflects your style and enhances the overall aesthetic of the living space. The key lies in achieving a balance between functionality, visual appeal, and a personalized touch. Start by considering the scale and proportions of your coffee table. The items you choose should complement the size and shape of the table while leaving enough space for functionality. Avoid overcrowding, opting for a thoughtful arrangement that allows for easy movement and access. A coffee table serves as a canvas for self-expression. Consider incorporating items that resonate with your personal style and interests. This could be through meaningful decor pieces, such as unique sculptures, art books, or objects collected from your travels. These items not only add character to the table but also offer conversation starters for guests. Balance is crucial in achieving an aesthetically pleasing arrangement. Mix and match different elements to create visual interest. Combine varied heights, textures, and shapes to add a dynamic quality to the tabletop. For instance, pair a stack of books with a small decorative bowl or a potted plant to create a diverse and engaging composition. Consider the functionality of the coffee table in addition to its decorative aspects. Ensure that there is space for essential items like coasters, remote controls, or a decorative tray to corral smaller items. This not only adds practicality to the table but also maintains a sense of order within the arrangement. The use of trays can be particularly effective in organizing and unifying the items on the coffee table. A well-chosen tray not only provides structure but also allows for easy rearrangement when needed. Consider a tray in a material that complements the overall aesthetic, such as wood, metal, or woven materials. Pay attention to the color palette when decorating a coffee table. Harmonize the decor items with the existing color scheme of the room, ensuring a cohesive and integrated look. A well-thought-out color scheme creates a sense of continuity and ties the entire living space together. Lastly, be open to experimentation and change. The beauty of decorating a coffee table lies in its adaptability. Feel free to switch out decor items seasonally, rotate books or art pieces, and refresh the arrangement to reflect evolving tastes or moods. This flexibility ensures that the coffee table remains a dynamic and evolving focal point within the living space.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!